Have you ever picked up a product because it said healthy, natural, or low fat, only to realize it was not actually that good for you? Guess what? You are not alone. Because food companies, they are good at making products look healthy, even when they are not. And the truth is, most of us are being influenced without even realizing it. So today I'm going to show you three things. First, how food marketing tricks you. Second, the most common strategies brands use. And thirdly, how you can protect yourself the next time you shop. By the end of this video, you will never look at food labels the same way again. Let's go. Why food marketing is so powerful? Food marketing works because it plays with your emotions, not just logic. So when you see words like organic, gluten free, all natural, low calorie, your brain reacts automatically and thinks this must be healthy. But here's the truth, these words are often marketing tools. And food companies, they know that most people, they don't read nutrition labels. They don't check the ingredients carefully. And worst of all, they make decisions right there in the store. And what do? So they design packaging to catch your eyes and earn your trust in seconds. Let's break down the biggest tricks one by one. First, low fat or fat free. This sounds healthy, right? But when companies remove fat, they often add sugar, salt, or artificial flavors to make the food, of course, taste better. So now you have a product that is low in fat, but also high in sugar. And guess what? Too much sugar can be worse than fat. Next, all natural. This one is a very misleading. Besides, the word natural is not strictly regulated. That means a product can say all natural and still contain added sugars, processed ingredients, and preservatives. So you see, natural is not automatically mean healthy. And then we have gluten free. This is important for people with gluten intolerance and celiac disease. But for everyone else, gluten free does not mean healthier. Some gluten free products actually have more sugar, more fat, more processed ingredients. All they are just gluten free. And one that is very common is made with real fruit. This one is everywhere. When you see made with real fruit, you think this is good choice. But when you check the label, the actual fruit content is often very small. Instead, you'll find sugar, syrups, and artificial flavors. And one of the most powerful tricks is healthy looking packaging. Now, think about packaging that is green, earth tone, has leaves or farms, and on top of that, it says organic or clean. It gives you a feeling of health and trust. And you know why? It's because your brain is trained to connect certain colors and design with health. And one more, high protein or high fiber. These claims are not always bad, but they can interact with your brain and distract you. Because a product might be high in protein, or high in fiber, but also high in added sugars, high in calories. So you see, your job is to not to focus on just one benefit, but to look at the whole picture. And again, if there's one habit that will change everything, is this. Always read nutrition labels and ingredients lists. So I highly recommend that you check out the previous video on how to read nutrition label if you have not done so. But for now, let me give you a quick checklist, just the main things you should always look at. First, ingredients list. Always start there. Ingredient lists are listed from highest to lowest amount. So, example, if your first ingredient says sugar, red flag. Not really a good choice. And a must check is added sugars. Don't just look at total sugar, but added sugars. And thirdly, serving size, remember, is different from the whole container. So you need to read that very clearly, how much my serving size is. And also remember, don't just trust the front, because the front is marketing, but the back is the truth. And now the question is, how to shop smarter? Here are simple tips you can start using today. First, stick to whole foods whenever possible and as much as possible. For example, fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Because in reality, you do not need a label to identify your apple, your avocado. You don't need that. But when foods have become a product, it is a must for you to read and read labels carefully before buying. And it's very important that you be cautious of health claims on the front and always ask yourself, is this really healthy or just marketed that way? And remember, the fewer ingredients, the better it is. To conclude, let me remind you, food marketing is designed to influence you. But now you know the truth, you don't have to fall for it anymore. And next time you are in the store, take a moment, flip the package, and check what's really inside. Because you know, real health does not come from labels on the front, but instead from understanding what you are actually putting into your body. And if this video has helped you, please write in the comments, check the back. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone, especially someone who shops for your grocery, so they too can make informed choices. And until then, I pray that you experience total health in your body, soul, and spirit. Shalom.